In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from Shopify online. Shopping online has become a universal convenience, offering us a vast selection of products right at our fingertips. One of the platforms leading this digital marketplace is Shopify, which powers countless online stores across various industries. Whether you're hunting for the latest fashion, tech gadgets, or unique artisanal products, Shopify stores have something for everyone. So, let's dive right into the process of making a purchase from a Shopify-powered store, ensuring you know exactly what to do every step of the way. First off, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. Once you're there, your journey begins with logging into the Shopify platform. If you have an account, this will be a breeze. Simply click on the login link presented on the home page. This is your first port of call in starting your online shopping adventure. After you've clicked on the login option, it's time to identify yourself to Shopify. You'll be prompted to enter some details that highlight who you are. Typically, this can be your email address. It's a simple step, but important for security and personalization purposes. Following your identity submission, you're confronted with a choice. Should you continue with your email, or would another method be preferable? Click on Continue with Email if that's your chosen method. Remember, Shopify prides itself on flexibility, offering multiple login options to accommodate all users. Up next, you'll need to choose an account. If you've opted to log in with Google, you'll be presented with any Google accounts currently logged in on your device. Select the one you wish to use for this transaction. It streamlines the process by linking your Shopify activities with your Google account, making future logins faster and securing your shopping activities under one of your primary online identities. Once logged in, you'll be directed to My Store. It's from here that your actual shopping journey begins. Within the Shopify dashboard, navigate towards the Online Store section. This is where you'll access the storefront of the business from which you wish to purchase. After clicking on Online Store, take a moment to view your store. This action transitions you from the administrative backend of Shopify to the customer-facing side. Here, you'll see the store as any customer would, filled with all the products and categories the store offers. Now for the fun part, selecting a product. Take your time to browse through the store. Use the search functionality if you're looking for something specific, or simply enjoy browsing through the categories. Once you've located an item that piques your interest, click on it to view more details. Decided it's a must-have? Excellent choice. The next step is to add it to your cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button. This doesn't commit you to purchasing quite yet, but it does reserve the item for you as you continue either shopping or preparing to check out. Speaking of checkout, once you've reviewed your cart and are satisfied with your selections, it's time to make it official. Navigate to your cart, review your items one last time for peace of mind, and then click on Checkout. This action will take you through the process of providing shipping and payment information. It's as simple as that. Following these steps ensures a smooth, secure, and enjoyable shopping experience on Shopify. A few tips to remember: always ensure you're shopping on a secure connection. Be mindful of the stores you choose to shop from, and review their return and shipping policies to avoid any surprises. Shopping online opens up a world of convenience and variety, and platforms like Shopify make it safer and more user-friendly. Whether it's your first time shopping online or you're an experienced e-commerce enthusiast, each purchase is a journey, and knowing how to navigate through it ensures a satisfying outcome. Happy shopping, and until next time, stay savvy on the digital marketplace.